Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So for today, I'm going to be showing you how to destroy the towers in Super Doomspire using the default weapons. Now what you want to do is quickly get onto the bridge and then destroy it using rockets and bombs. You have to destroy both of them so that it will be easier to win the game. Next, head down to the bottom of the Doomspire tower and then just destroy it. Sometimes enemies will also come, so you just have to be aware. And now that I destroyed the last pillar, the tower will come falling down. But sometimes the tower will get stuck on the ground. So what you have to do is destroy another layer of the tower. And once you do, the tower will come falling down. Now sometimes there might be spawns left behind, so you just have to use your rockets or bombs to destroy it. Now, we head to the last tower and destroy it again. Once again, the tower will come falling down. Sometimes you can put your trowels under the tower so that it falls the way you want it to. But now, once the towers are finished, you just have to kill the others. And once all the enemies are defeated, you win the game. And that's how you win in Super Doomspire. I hope you liked the video and have a great day. See you next time.